Welcome to MotorVibes channel. Today we will discuss top 7 budget-friendly cruiser motorcycles for 2025. Let's dive into these affordable cruisers that prove you don't need to empty your bank account to enjoy the open road. Number 7. CF Moto 450 CLC. The CF Moto 450 CLC is a budget cruiser that's shaking up the motorcycle market with premium looks and affordable pricing. With its muscular fuel tank, sculpted fenders, and bobber-inspired stance, this bike exudes attitude and style far beyond what its price tag suggests. Powering this head-turner is a capable 449 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that produces 40 horsepower. This provides enough punch to confidently navigate city streets while still delivering exciting performance on open highways. The engine offers smooth power delivery with a satisfying mid-range surge that makes everyday riding enjoyable. Paired with a slick-shifting 6-speed transmission and featuring a slipper clutch, the 450 CLC ensures stress-free riding even during aggressive downshifts. Priced competitively at $6,799, the 450 CLC delivers exceptional value with features typically found on more expensive motorcycles. The fully digital display provides clear information without overwhelming the rider, while convenient keyless ignition adds a premium touch. Safety hasn't been overlooked, with front and rear disc brakes complemented by standard ABS for confident stopping power in all conditions. Comfort and handling are surprisingly refined for a budget cruiser. The upside-down front forks and preload adjustable rear shocks deliver a comfortable ride over various road surfaces. The lightweight chassis makes the bike easy to maneuver in urban environments, while remaining stable and composed during highway cruising. The CF Moto 450 CLC proves that a stylish, feature-packed cruiser doesn't require emptying your savings account. It combines attractive design, solid performance, and modern technology in a package that defies its budget classification. Perfect for riders who want cruiser style and substance without the premium price tag. Number 6. Kawasaki Eliminator. The Kawasaki Eliminator is a budget-friendly cruiser that delivers big bike vibes without the matching price tag. With its classic cruiser, silhouette, and modern touches, it offers style and substance for riders who want to look good without emptying their bank accounts. Powering this affordable machine is a lively 451 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine borrowed from Kawasaki sportier models, but tuned specifically for cruiser duty. It strikes an ideal balance between performance and economy, with enough power to confidently navigate city streets and maintain comfortable highway speeds. The 6-speed transmission shifts smoothly, ensuring you'll never feel like you're straining the engine just to keep pace with traffic. Fuel efficiency is another highlight, meaning more miles between fill-ups and more money in your pocket. Priced at approximately $6,000 for 2025, the Eliminator represents exceptional value in the cruiser market. For this accessible price point, Kawasaki includes modern features like an LCD display, LED lighting, and optional ABS. Technology often reserved for more expensive motorcycles. Maintenance costs remain reasonable with affordable parts availability, while insurance premiums stay significantly lower than those for larger displacement cruisers. Comfort is a priority with the Eliminator's approachable 28-inch seat height, making it accessible to riders of various sizes. The lightweight chassis ensures easy handling in tight spaces, while the ergonomics create a relaxed riding position perfect for both short commutes and longer weekend adventures. The Kawasaki Eliminator proves that a legitimate, stylish cruiser experience doesn't require breaking the bank. Whether you're navigating daily commutes, enjoying scenic weekend rides, or simply turning heads outside your favorite coffee shop, the Eliminator delivers authentic cruiser character and reliable performance at a price point that keeps motorcycling accessible to everyone. Number 5. Suzuki Boulevard C50. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 is a classic cruiser that proves you don't need to rob a bank to ride in style. With its chunky fenders, beefy fuel tank, and nostalgic design, it delivers premium cruiser aesthetics at a surprisingly approachable price point. Powering this budget-friendly beauty is a fuel-injected 805 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that strikes the perfect balance between performance and economy. The engine delivers smooth, confidence-inspiring power for relaxed cruising while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency at approximately 45 miles per gallon. This means fewer painful stops at the pump and more enjoyable time on the road. The shaft drive system eliminates chain maintenance headaches, reducing long-term ownership costs and keeping you riding instead of wrenching. Priced around $8,000 new for 2025, the Boulevard C50 undercuts many of its heavyweight cruiser competitors by thousands of dollars. This price point makes it accessible to riders wanting authentic cruiser experience without stretching their budget to breaking point. Insurance costs also tend to be lower compared to larger displacement machines, further enhancing its value proposition. Comfort is where this Suzuki truly shines. The low 27-inch seat height makes it approachable even for shorter riders, while the plush, well-padded saddle won't leave you regretting that extra hour on the road. The relaxed rider triangle with forward controls and swept-back handlebars creates a comfortable, laid-back riding position perfect for covering miles. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 isn't a fire-breathing performance machine, but that's not its purpose. It's about cruising at a relaxed pace while keeping your bank account intact. A hassle-free ride with classic charm that makes a compelling case for riders seeking affordable cruiser ownership without compromising on style or reliability. Number 4. Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 is a budget-friendly cruiser that makes you wonder why some bikes cost twice as much. With its minimalist, yet bold design, the Rebel 500 looks far more expensive than it is, featuring blacked-out engine components, a sleek fuel tank, and a low-slung seat that gives it a custom-built vibe straight from the showroom floor. At the heart of the Rebel 500 sits a 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine delivering 46 horsepower. The power is smooth and responsive, with enough grunt to make city riding enjoyable while still holding its own on highways. Power delivery is predictable, making it beginner-friendly, but there's enough punch to keep experienced riders entertained through the corners and straightaways. Priced at $6,499 for 2025, the Rebel 500 keeps things simple without skimping on essentials. The digital LCD display provides all key information at a glance, while LED lighting ensures visibility and style after dark. The exceptionally low seat height of 27 inches welcomes riders of all sizes, building confidence at stoplights and in tight spaces. Honda has also engineered this bike to be light and easy to maneuver, eliminating the wrestling match common with heavier cruisers. Riding the Rebel 500 feels effortless in nearly any environment. The suspension is plush enough to handle rough roads without jarring your spine, while the low center of gravity makes cornering smooth and predictable. The brakes provide confident stopping power, whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising along country roads. The Honda Rebel 500 proves that a stylish, fun, and capable cruiser doesn't need to break the bank. It's the perfect blend of accessibility, performance, and value that makes it an excellent choice for riders seeking cruiser style without the traditional cruiser price tag. Number 3. Honda Shadow Phantom. The Honda Shadow Phantom is a sleek cruiser that delivers big bike style without the hefty price tag. With its blacked-out look and low-slung profile, it exudes an air of premium design that belies its affordable nature. At the heart of this budget-friendly beast sits a 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine. While not overpowering, it provides smooth, reliable power perfect for relaxed cruising. The fuel injection system ensures crisp performance in all weather conditions, while the 5-speed transmission and shaft drive keep maintenance hassle-free. This powertrain strikes an ideal balance between performance and economy, delivering around 50 miles per gallon for fewer stops at the pump. Priced at approximately $8,000 for 2025, the Shadow Phantom represents excellent value in the cruiser market. It's a bike built to last, offering Honda's legendary reliability without breaking the bank. Insurance costs also tend to be lower compared to larger displacement cruisers, further enhancing its budget-friendly appeal. Comfort is a key focus of a Shadow Phantom. The incredibly low 25.8-inch seat height makes it approachable for riders of all sizes, inspiring confidence at stops and in tight spaces. The relaxed riding position ensures you won't feel like you've completed a yoga class after an hour in the saddle. Honda has kept the design simple and intuitive, making it equally suitable for beginners and experienced riders seeking a low-maintenance cruiser. The Honda Shadow Phantom proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy classic cruiser style and reliable performance. It's an ideal choice for riders who want a hassle-free, affordable cruiser that looks great and rides smooth without demanding constant attention or draining your wallet. Number 2. Yamaha V Star 250. The Yamaha V Star 250 is a small cruiser with a big heart, offering classic style without breaking the bank. It's the perfect blend of timeless cruiser aesthetics and approachable riding for those on a budget or new to motorcycling. At the core of this compact cruiser sits a 249 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, a rarity in the small displacement category. With 21 horsepower on tap, it provides smooth power delivery for confident city riding and can handle highway trips at a relaxed pace. The air-cooled engine keeps maintenance simple and delivers outstanding fuel economy, making it an excellent choice for daily commutes or weekend escapes. Priced competitively at $4,599 for 2025, the V Star 250 offers tremendous value in the entry-level cruiser segment. Despite its affordable price tag, Yamaha hasn't skimped on the essentials that make for an enjoyable riding experience. Comfort is a key focus of the V Star 250. The well-padded seat sits just 27 inches from the ground, welcoming riders of all sizes and building confidence for those new to two wheels. Relaxed ergonomics, including forward-set foot pegs and swept-back handlebars, encourage an easygoing riding posture perfect for cruising. The soft suspension soaks up road imperfections without jarring the rider, while the lightweight frame makes maneuvering through traffic a breeze. The Yamaha V Star 250 proves that you don't need deep pockets to enjoy the cruiser lifestyle. Its combination of classic looks, manageable power, and rider-friendly features make it an ideal choice for new riders or anyone seeking an economical and stylish ride. Whether you're commuting through busy city streets or taking a leisurely weekend ride, the V Star 250 delivers an authentic cruiser experience without the intimidating size or cost of larger bikes. Number 1. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a budget-friendly cruiser that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy the open road. It's got that classic laid-back cruiser look with plenty of charm and a price tag that won't send your wallet into witness protection. Under the tank sits a 349 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine producing 20 horsepower and 20 pound-feet of torque, perfect for relaxed riding without overwhelming new riders. The air oil cooling system keeps maintenance simple while delivering excellent fuel efficiency at around 70 miles per gallon. The 5-speed transmission shifts smoothly, making both city riding and highway cruising enjoyable. Priced at $4,299, the Meteor 350 delivers exceptional value, offering features like tripper navigation, fuel injection, and LED lighting. Premium touches unexpected at this price. Comfort is outstanding with a low 30-inch seat height that welcomes riders of various sizes. The well-padded saddle prevents discomfort on longer journeys, while the suspension effectively absorbs road imperfections. Despite its cruiser styling, handling feels nimble with balanced weight distribution, making tight maneuvers straightforward. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 stands out as proof that a good cruiser doesn't need to drain your bank account. It's easy to ride, affordable to maintain, and looks like $1 million without costing anywhere near it. Thanks for tuning in to MotorVibes. We hope this guide has helped you find your next dream ride without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle insights and reviews. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and enjoy the open road.